Hello artists, it's me again, Miss Dunn, and I am so excited to create with you again today. Today we're going to be making mandalas. Mandalas are a really cool abstract art form that is a circular design. So the shapes can be organic or they can be geometric, but they start at the center point and they all surround it. The first one was created in the 1st century BC, which was a super long time ago in Asia. So mandalas are a really cool art form to make. I'm excited to make them with you today. Designing them can be inspirational and also therapeutic. There are many ways you can create your mandala today. You can go outside and create your mandala with chalk, maybe on the sidewalk or in your driveway, or you can use different found objects outside and make it, and I'm going to show you how. Or you can make your mandala inside, maybe with some toys or objects you have in your house, or on paper, of course, with any art supplies you have. I'm really excited to see all of your mandalas and see what you come up with. Let's get started.
Sidewalk chalk mandala. All you need is a few pieces of chalk. I used 4 pieces. Start with your center, and you're going to go ahead and create shapes and lines and repeat them over and over. You can really use as many pieces of chalk as you want, but sometimes simple is best because you have to concentrate on the lines and shapes you're making. Make your mandala as big as you want. I have made mine bigger than me. Nature mandala. All you have to do is collect a few things around your yard. After you collect, you can start arranging in a circular pattern. When you're finished, go ahead and take a picture. Found objects indoor mandala. This was super fun, especially if it's a rainy day. I arranged all the different ducks that we had into a mandala. I just kept repeating the design over and over as I went around in the circle. I also made a second mandala using all different types of toys we had around the house, and I tried to repeat the design using similar objects around in the circle. Really, you can make your mandala however you want, as long as it's some type of pattern in a circular form. This was so much fun to make. Don't forget to take a picture when you're finished. To draw a mandala, you're going to need a piece of paper, scissors, and something to color with. You're going to take the side edge of your paper, that's the shorter side, and line it up with the longer side and fold it in half. This will help make your paper square. Get a pair of scissors and cut right on the line. Then you're going to unfold your paper and try and make it as flat as you can. After you have your square, you can go ahead and start in the center and make different shapes and your patterns. You can use as many colors as you want. Just remember to repeat your shapes and lines in a circular form so that way it'll look just like a mandala. I can't wait to see yours.